Another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my chicken soup. Yes guys, so as you can see here, I have my pumpkin and carrot cut together. I'm about to wash them now. Guys, as you can see, I washed my pumpkin and carrot and I'm about to put them in the pot. Yes guys, when I am making my chicken soup, I just start off with the pumpkin and the carrot because I like to see the color that the pumpkin give to the chicken soup along with the carrots. So guys, this is an outdoor kitchen today. Today I am cooking my chicken soup outdoor because it's a very big pot. Yes guys, so you can see I have a piece of thyme right there in my pot. I'm stirring my pot. Yes guys, you can see the pumpkin is cooked. This is how I make my chicken soup, not how you make yours. This is how I make mine. See, oh, I am pouring in, well, I poured in a little potato with my chicken. Reason for that, I like to make a little of the potato mash out in the water. Yes guys, because that does help with the body also. I'm going to stir, then I'm going to cover back my pot for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna add more stuff. Yam, cocoa, chocho, and my turnip. Yes guys, and I'm gonna stir in those. The stove is a bit low. Yes, see, I'm about to need my flour. I like to sprinkle a little salt in my flour before I need it. And I pour my water. Yes guys. You gotta put all the ingredients together. I can't use my two hands when I'm kneading, I have to use one. Comment down below if you use two hands to knead your flour or one. It's how you feel comfortable doing it. Pour all of this, even though I'm still going to need a little more water. Guys, this dumpling is going to be tight. As you can see guys, my dough is almost finished knead. Dump up the flour. Yes guys, gotta get in there. See how my pan is clean? You see that? Guys, look at this pan. Didn't even know that the flour just needs in it. This is what you call a clean sweep. Yes guys. So I'm about to drop these flour into the pot. Yes guys. Adding my dumplings into the pot, as you can see. And I'm about to put in the rest of potato. Guys, you see what I'm talking about? And it's not even finished as yet. Look at this, guys. Look at all this goodness. Guys, so I'm going to cover back the pot and let everything cook. Then I'm gonna come back about the next 20 minutes and season my pot. Yes, guys, season my pot. The next 20 minutes. Fogging up my camera. As you can see, look at this. I don't know if y'all making it out, but look. I'm about to season my pot now. My scallion, my thyme, my pepper. Ooh, this is gonna go down good. Look at this. Throw in the pumpkin noodle. So guys, I'm using Grace pumpkin noodle. I'm going to use 2 packs of these. 2 packs. Guys, look at this. Boy, when this steam is only fogging up my camera. Guys, you want to see this finishing product. Yes, guys. This is the finishing product, guys. You see that? Whew. Get into it. Let me stir it for you. Guys, look at this. Look at my chicken soup. Guys, look at this. Guys, look. Look at this. Curry kitchen. Yes, guys, and please don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and share, and also please go over to Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle, VIA' Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Ooh, look at this. Can't wait to get down in this, guys. Look. Ooh. Into this bowl of soup, guys. Yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Into this bowl of soup, guys. Yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.